Guys, July 3rd, 2023. This is I got a call from a guy. He's got a problem with his AC and wants me to go by there to see if I can help him out. So we don't know what the deal is. I usually tell people make sure that they're shut off. I'd like to have them off for at least, you know, a day before I go there, in case it's iced. Usually, you know, people call me and I'm going there the next day. It's not working anyway, just shut it off. That's all I always tell people. This way, if there's anything that's heated up or anything, you know, it's all cooled off by the time I get there. If you keep them running and they're not working, you could do damage to them. Especially like condenser fans not spinning and the compressors running, could do damage. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots. Nice day. It's nice and cool this morning. It's probably, I don't know, 65 out. It's not crazy hot right now. Seems like it's raining on and off though, so it's not good for my AC jobs today if it starts raining. We'll try to get you some shots. Change the filter. The fan's running inside. He's going to turn it on. Probably a leaker. Well, it's a York. It's an old R22 Yorker. It's definitely R22. About the coil. 60. It's long. It's going to ice. I'm running like that, it'll ice up. I'm gonna put some gas in it. I'm gonna put some gas in it. Alright, you're at 51. I'm gonna show you how to lower the pressure. I'm gonna bring this down. We're gonna give it a little juice. 50 on the suction. I'm gonna show you how cold that gets. How you doing? Alright, so R22 is the second column. It said 50, right? 50 psi. It's 26 degrees. So that's why it ices when it gets cold. I'm going to give it a little juice, bring the superheat down. An older system. Oh, I'm not going to try to find a leak. I'm going to bring the superheat down and bring this up. Keep an eye on this. It starts dropping. See how it's dropping? It's starting to come back cold now. Let's let it stabilize. There's a suction line coming back, it cools the compressor off. Didn't have to put a lot in it. Gotta be above 60 on the suction. Should be. This is still dropping here. If the coil was iced, this would continue to drop like crazy right down to 32. If the inside coil's iced, that's how you can tell if they've been running it. A lot of these people, you tell them to shut it off, they don't fucking listen to you. Right, so at 62 here, see our superheat at 13, that's fine. When it's cool out, you don't have a really big load, the superheat will be lower. As long as this stops, it doesn't continue to draw. Could be the thing's partially iced upstairs because it's flipping it. It's been running it. I wouldn't doubt it. See how this is really getting cold here? Change the filter. He's probably running a thick filter. See how low the suction is? Inadequate returns. We're not dropping down too low here. See at 41, it's not crazy bad. Ear wicks. If it was iced, this would drop right down to 32. And it would start icing. I don't think that's the case here. Alright, so at 61, we're going to leave it right there. Superheat's at 6. Subcooling's a little high. 41 on the return line coming back, the suction line, that's fine. That's good right there. I'm gonna leave it. Leave it right there. Was leaking, it would bubble right up. So we check if there's any leaks in the trader cores. They're not leaking. They're not leaking, so we're going to put the regular caps back that aren't sealed. That's fine. If them leak, either change the trader core or put a cap in there with a good gasket. See how she's sweaty? So we